Hey, this is Daksh. Today I'm going to show you how to install Sugarlistens. So I'll start by telling you what Sugarlistens is. It is a GSOC 2014 project that seeks to provide speech recognition capabilities to Sugar activity developers. It was developed by Rodrigo Barra. So let's get started. This is a tutorial I made for you to follow with me along the video. You can go ahead and check it out in my repository Sugarlistens Install. So the first step is you have to get Sugar builds up and running. You can follow the steps in this link for that. Next, what you gotta do is you have to install all the dependencies. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'm working in my main directory from the start. In this I have my Sugar build up and running. So I'll go to the terminal and in Sugar build I'll open the shell. And now I have to copy this command and paste it right over here. I already have most of the packages installed, so for me it would do it very quickly, but for you it may take time, so you have to wait. Next thing is you have to clone two repositories. I've already done that. After you do that, you'll have one folder named Sugarlistens inside your Sugar build, like this one right over here, and one Sugar folder in your working directory. Now next step is that you have to generate the RPM for Sugarlistens so that we can install it as a systemed service. So for that we need to redirect our terminal. Once we get into the Sugarlistens directory, we have to install this dependency so that we can make the RPM package. Installing dependencies may take more or less time according to your internet speed. After we have the dependency, we have to run this command to generate the RPM. Right over here is the version number of the RPM that we are gonna generate. Successfully, if this command is completed, it would generate the RPM under the RPM build under your home. So now we have to redirect our terminal to there. After that we have to install the generated RPM, so we will go ahead and run this command. After your package is installed, inside the sugar cell you have to install the Sugarlistens that you have cloned. So we'll redirect our terminal to there. Once we have this installed, we can go ahead and start the system service that we just created. This would enable the Sugarlistens service. We have to do this only once, not every time we run Sugar. But to start the service, we have to run this command. One more command you can additionally run is to check if your service is running or not, is to change the start to status. If you get this active and running, that means you are good to go. Next, what you have to do is copy the folder of the repo you cloned. So in Sugar, we'll go to extensions and device info and copy the speech folder from here. In our Sugar build, we'll go to build, out, install, share, Sugar, extensions, device info, and we'll paste the folder right here. Next, what we have to do is clone the maze activity which has a speech recognition in it. So we'll open the terminal. If you already have a maze installed, you'll have to delete it, and after that you'll have to run this command. So now when you have done all this, you can go ahead and run your Sugar build. I'm sorry, we had to run this command in the Sugar build, not the Sugar install, right over here. One thing that you might want to notice that the speech recognition used here is highly sensitive to the mic volume and the accent of your speech, so you might have some problems getting started with it. In the Sugar build, you may not see the maze over here, so you'll have to go to the list view and add the maze to the favorites and then open it. Now you can go ahead and enjoy using your maze activity with your voice commands. Go down, go up, turn right, something like this. Thanks a lot for watching the video.